Hello, everyone. Today I'm bringing you another cookie recipe, and this is what's jumping in my pot today. Soft peanut butter cookies. Let's get to it. Here's the ingredients: pure vanilla extract, baking powder, peanut butter, salt, an egg, all-purpose flour, brown sugar, granulated sugar, and unsalted butter. Well, let's get to making the peanut butter cookies. I have the butter in this bowl. I'm going to add the sugar, the brown sugar, the granulated sugar, the peanut butter, and now I'm going to use a hand mixer and blend this up together until it gets nice, creamy, and smooth. Now we're going to add the egg. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below, and the vanilla extract. And then we're going to beat it again. Now we're going to mix the all-purpose flour with some baking powder, salt, we're going to take a whisk and mix everything up together. Now, we're going to add the flour with the egg and sugar mixture and butter. We mix all of this up together. Now, I think it's all mixed up together totally. And now, I have a sheet pan here lined with parchment paper. I have a scoop, and I'm going to...
You're going to scoop up the mixture and create the cookies now.
Yes.
So is an ice cream coop preferably what you would normally use?
Well, I'm using this because it's a large scoop, and I want to make large cookies instead of making little tiny ones. Take the fork, and we press down. We do it both ways. We turn it.
Oh, so that's how it gets the tic-tac-toe board on it.
Yes.
I never knew that. Usually just get these in the store, as is already made, you know?
I'm going to continue to make the cookies. Now I've finished putting the cookies on the baking sheet. I have my oven set to 360, and I'm going to put these in the oven for about 8 to 9 minutes. Here you have it, soft peanut butter cookies. Enjoy. Nice and soft. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, X, and Facebook. and I will see you soon with another video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Bye.